Hey there, amazing viewers. Welcome to App Loop. Today we've got an exciting tutorial in store for you. We'll be diving into the world of Instagram and learning how to give your chat a brand new look with just 5 simple steps. Step 1. Begin by opening up your Instagram application. Step 2. Next, head over to the chat section. Step 3. Click on the profile option. This is your gateway to personalizing your chat experience and making it uniquely yours. Step 4. Are you ready for the fun part? Click on that Theme button. Step 5. Now, here's where the real fun begins. Choose a theme that resonates with your personality, whether it's vibrant, calming, or totally unique. The choice is all yours, and that's it. Once you've selected your theme, head back to the chat section and voila, you'll see your chat transformed into something amazing. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy guide to changing your Instagram chat theme. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more fantastic content. Stay tuned for more exciting tips and tricks right here on App Loop.